Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick update to Microsoft Build. So Microsoft Build conference is happening right now. Build has in the past been one of the times when we had a lot of Windows news, and that pretty much shifted to other aspects of Microsoft services and products. But one of the things that we have to note here is that Satya Nadella yesterday in one of his speeches at the keynote, which is, by the way, a virtual event pretty much, has mentioned that he's extremely excited about the next Windows. So there's been a lot of talk about this. Next Windows, next Windows. The next Windows is going to be fantastic. So there's going to be definitely some big changes coming. There's definitely going to be some interesting things to watch. There wasn't any details. There wasn't anything that they talked about that we could actually share. But definitely we know that it is something that is going to be major because they can't stop saying how big the next version is going to be. And that definitely means that we're going to see some big changes ahead. And this is going to be 21H2, that's pretty much for sure. But probably in the future also, not just 21H2 is going to have that, but with 21H2 and subsequent versions of Windows, there's going to be some more changes probably coming. So that's going to be the exciting thing. When we start really seeing what's behind all of this, this is where we're going to really be, seeing the changes, seeing where Windows, what direction Windows is going. And, of course, there's a lot of speculations on that. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.